Hi, greetings from Healing Hands Clinic, DP Road, Pune. Because of the rising incidence of endometriosis and fibroid, we have decided to start with endometriosis and fibroid clinic at our Healing Hands Clinic, DP Road, Pune. I am Dr. Nalawad Balaji Reddy, consultant gynecologist, laparoscopic and robotic surgeon. Endometriosis is a condition where the lining, which is similar to the uterine cavity, that is called endometrium, which grows outside the normal uterine cavity, it is called endometriosis. And in initial stage of the disease, patient may have very minimal symptoms like painful menstrual periods. As usual, most of the women consider this as a normal part of menstrual cycle and they keep on neglecting. So, as disease progresses, these symptoms can arise according to the involvement of other structures. Endometriosis, it is not a cancer, but it's spread like a cancer. So, when it involves the neighboring structures, the symptoms can arise like bloating sensation, diarrhea, constipation, pain while passing urine or motion. There can be bleeding in the urine or motion, painful intercourse, and eventually, as the disease progresses, that can involve the fallopian tube and ovaries and will result into infertility. So many a times when these infertile patients come to the clinic for evaluation and we diagnose them as an infertility, and the cause behind that is endometriosis. So early diagnosis is very important for the diagnosis of endometriosis. Gradually the pain keep on increasing and the patient may have excessive and prolonged bleeding, which can result into affecting her day-to-day activities, and ultimately that can impact her physical, mental, social, sexual, economical well-being. So, if we diagnose these conditions in early stage of the disease, we can manage them with medicines. And if the diagnosis is late, which is been observed, there is a delay of 7 to 10 years in the diagnosis of endometriosis from the onset of symptom to arrive at accurate diagnosis. And that is mainly because of the lack of awareness among the women and the non-availability of expertise doctors. So early diagnosis is very important to prevent the further complications, and which can be managed with medicine. If the disease is diagnosed in late conditions, that can require surgical excision of fibroid as well as endometriosis. And to perform that, all kind of advanced world class endoscopic instruments and equipments are required, which includes 3D camera, 4K systems, which is available at Healing Hand clinics. So we are moving ahead with the starting up with fibroid and endometriosis clinics.